Hello, dear friends. If you're new, welcome to Create, Change, Design. This is my final fall video. I will start doing Christmas with the next ones. I did the filming before the trick-or-treaters came by. The weather had been beautiful. We had a couple of days of a storm and wind, but now it's just a little breezy and not too cold. So nice to do the porch for fall. Here are some of the things I'm going to decorate with. And I have a new idea. How about a fall tree? I had so much fun decorating the porch. It's a bit of a challenge because it's only 5 feet 3 inches wide. As I'm setting up the tree, I want you to know that you are awesome. God created you with your own unique gifts and beauty. No matter what your stresses are, no matter how great or small, God is there for you. I encourage you to take the time every day to focus on things that are beautiful. Every day will be different. Maybe it's the leaves falling and blowing in the wind. Or on a stormy day, sit for a few moments and enjoy a cup of hot chocolate and smile. Or maybe go shopping for a small item reflecting the beauty of the season to put on your desk and smile. I really want to encourage you to put decorations up, even if you don't think you're good at it at all. Just do it. It will cheer you up. Don't compare yourself with the way others do it. I don't think I'm very good at it, especially at filming the videos. I'm not really good at that. Year after year, I love to decorate. I just go for it. Be sure to fluff every branch of the tree. Oops! A branch came out. Oh well, wrap it in with another one. When I got the idea of making a fall tree outside, I had to think about how to make it happen. I wanted a narrow pencil tree. I ordered one online from Walmart. It was not high quality, and it was only $38.69. Perfect for my project. My little hummingbird will be making sure I do it right. He's even making sure I fluff the tree right. Is it okay? Alrighty then. I had already bought 2 fall gardens with lights from Hobby Lobby for $17.99 at the 40% off price. Bright and happy. The next 2 items were so funny to do that it made me laugh so much. I had also ordered 2 sets of the 7-piece pumpkins on sale for $12.05 each. The pumpkins are lightweight styrofoam. There are 14 of them. I didn't want the trick-or-treaters to be able to pull them out of the tree, so I decided to wire them into the tree. First, I had to drill a hole in each one. I'll show you the process of the last one I did while I tell you the funny story. Okay, I was on the phone with my granddaughter while I was working on the other pumpkins. I kept giggling and laughing at the styrofoam flying all around the kitchen table where I was working on them. All the little pieces had static electricity too, and they were all over me, the table, the floor, and I had to keep the dogs back so it wouldn't get on them. I just couldn't stop laughing. It was so funny. Once I drilled the holes, I took about a 15-inch length of thick, stiff copper wire and hammered it through the pumpkins. And man, that even made more of a mess. More styrofoam flying. Then I put the small black wire through, long enough to tie into the tree. Hey, it was working great. What a mess I had to clean up before everyone got home. So fun. Oh man, see all the little pieces of styrofoam? Now for the flowers. I also ordered a 24 bundle package on sale for $19.99 online from Walmart. When they arrived in this tiny bundle, I couldn't imagine. What? How? Then I started to laugh at the thought that it was going to explode when I opened it. So I had to video it. Darn, it didn't explode. I thought they would be cheap quality, but that wouldn't matter since they will be outside on the porch. If they got ruined, no great loss. Well, let's see what they're like. As I was taking each one out and fluffing them, I was amazed at their quality. They're plastic, so the weather won't hurt them. They fluffed out really nicely and didn't fall apart. Okay, great. Now I have all these flowers and even some ferns to put all around. They all look surprisingly full and fluffy. I put them in the tree and in the real pumpkin like a vase, and on the lawn tables that I dressed up. You'll see. Here's the wreath above the table. You could check out that previous video as well. My little hummingbird friend totally approves. Now here's a close-up of the tree, showing the fall garland, the little pumpkins, the flowers, and ferns. And at the bottom, I wrapped some burlap to cover the bottom of the tree. A perfect perch for a snack. Now at the other end of the narrow porch, I put the beautiful blue carpet runner under the table and chairs. I had to keep it away from the edge of the porch because the rain hits along there. The knot pillows are so soft and comfortable on the chairs. Of course, we need blankets when it's a little too chilly. I got this wooden vase from Hobby Lobby a few months back. I think it was about $24, and I got it on sale. I put a pretty narrow blue ribbon on the vase to go with these beautiful blue pods. I should have raised the camera up a bit. Then I put a real pumpkin and some Indian corn to add to the festive look. Now I'm putting a yard of orange fabric on the other lawn table at this end of the porch. Here's a larger wooden vase that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm kind of thinking it was around $35. I just don't remember how much it was. When I first showed it, the eucalyptus was in it, but they started falling out. So I just let them fall. Oh well, gotta pick them up. I love the smell of real dried eucalyptus. So nice. Now for a fresh arrangement. I'll lay some of the eucalyptus in front of the vase. So beautiful. When I got the real pumpkins, I had to get this beautiful blue one. Now for the final reveal. Time to relax with a cup of chamomile tea and enjoy my fun creation. There's the porch stand I refreshed in a previous video. Be sure to check that one out as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Mostly, I hope you are encouraged by the beauty of the season. If you are, please like and subscribe. Also, I would love to hear what you think of this beautiful fall porch with the fall tree in it. Until next time, God bless.